What is a hard gel manicure? Hard gel is much stronger than its little sister shellac. According to the manufacturer, hard gel is a self-leveling gel that cannot be removed with acetone and must be filed away. Although it can be molded, shaped, and refilled like acrylic, it is not hardened by solvents. A hard gel is a flexible, natural-looking treatment that needs to be cured under an LED or UV lamp. Hard gels are already mixed and require curing under an LED or UV lamp, says Brittany Boyce, founder of Nails of La. The treatment creates a protective shell for nails that are struggling to grow. Manicurist Anastasia Totti, an educator at La Shah Nails and an expert on hard gel manicures, explains that a hard gel manicure gives a strong enhancement without using nail tips or forms. What is the difference between hard gel and gel extensions? In combination with hard gel manicures, gel extensions can attach to the nails. However, hard gel manicures do not require the use of extensions to attach to the nails. Gel extensions can be constructed either using hard gels and sculpted onto a form, or using full coverage gel tips, explains Inzerillo. It was not necessary to extend the nail in my case. The hard gel manicure was applied only to the base of the nail. My experience with hard gel. My barely there tips were ready to paint after my 3-week-old gel manicure had been removed by filing, soaking, buffing, etc. My manicurist spooned out a thick glob of clear goop right in the center instead of painting on a classic polish. Unlike soft gel, the texture of hard gel is much thicker, so a single dollop of translucent gel was smudged all the way around each nail. Although my nails looked abnormally thick after just one layer, I kept my patience. My nail artist filed down the top and edges to make them look more natural, but there wasn't any drastic change after that. In comparison to my previous manicures using dip powder, the hard gel creates a much thicker layer over the top of the nail. When I applied the polish, my nails looked as if they were wearing a shield, and when I applied the gel, they acted much like they were wearing one. As I left the salon with my blue French manicure and accent flowers, I was impressed with my nails' added strength, but I was still skeptical that they would last. 1 week after my manicure, I had no chips. Digging into my wallet or prying open jar lids didn't cause them. It's been 2 weeks since I left the salon, and my nails still looked fresh. Other than a little bit of growth at the cuticle, they are chip-free. By week 6, I was pushing it, but they've doubled in length and are still chip-free. It is necessary to use a dental electric file to remove hard gels, instead of soaking them in acetone. At the salon, they clip off the tip, file off the color with a coarse safety bit, and then you wash your hands. After all that, you should have your natural nails back, Inzerillo says. That said, any chemical addition can weaken or irritate the nail bed, so although they look super cute, they don't contribute to nail health. Says dermatologist Mona Gahara, MD, an associate professor of dermatology at Yale School of Medicine. To help maintain strong nails, drive. Gahara recommends giving your nails a holiday in between treatments. Moisturize with an oil or Vaseline, she says. This will help prevent cracking and brittleness. How to remove hard gels. You should leave the work to the professionals. The hard gels last for a long time, so Inzerillo advises against peeling or picking at your paint job. Gel manicures can damage your nails if they are applied improperly and removed incorrectly, according to Inzerillo. Peeling or biting a gel manicure will damage the nail bed. The cost of a hard gel manicure. The price of my manicure in San Francisco was $94, but prices vary by city and salon. A hard gel manicure typically costs between $80 and $125. Why hard gels are worth it? A hard gel manicure gives me much more flexibility and lasts at least a month, something I never encounter with traditional shellac. I love getting my nails done professionally, but I hate having to go to the salon once a week. Gel manicures are a staple in my beauty routine, and if the results are anything like the longevity of the product, they won't be leaving anytime soon.